that means living the rest of your life together. Now, even if the truth is scary, wouldn't you rather know than live in the dark? I think you know what you need to do. Don't worry. I will be with you every step of the way. Set up our next session 5 p.m. Oh, actually, she is out with a dental emergency, so please contact me directly. Oh, and one more thing. Good luck.
Come on, Alex.
You ever coming back? Sorry. I'm fine.
No, this is exactly what I was afraid of. The second I heard about Jane and Frank, I knew how upset you'd be.
No, you surprised me, that's all.
Emma, let's pretend. I'm sure it's a shock. And as cliche as it sounds, I won't feel all alone.
No, I'm fine. Why wouldn't I be?
God damn it, just kidding.
Wait, did you think I had feelings for Frank?
Definitely
No.
make you happy.
No.
I'm so embarrassed. Alex,
No.
please believe me, I was
Say it.
never in love with Frank.
Say you were in love with
I
him.
was carried away by the attention, but that's as far as
Say
it got.
you were in love with him.
Annie did too. There was nothing there.
Say you were in love with him.
Good.
God damn it, just say you're in
Go over and take a gas when you want.
Oh, I'd like to do that.
Maybe I'll put a bomb in.
No need to look at that kind of silence.
Do it.
You were right.
Do it.
Again.
Do it. Do it.
How many times does that make that?
Smart ass. Oh, come on.
Alex, I wish I had listened to you. Not only did I make a fool out of myself, but when I think of what I did to Jane, I don't know how she could ever forgive me.
You didn't know what was going on.
You did.
I didn't come back to Glow.
What did make you come back?
Dang
I
it.
was planning on coming back, but when the news broke about Jane and Frank's relationship, I left right away to see how you were.
Well, now you see, I'm fine. We're all fine.
God damn it, just say it. Emma? Alex?
Emma, I'm sorry for the way that I left.
Don't apologize. I deserved everything that you said. You were right about everything.
As soon as I left, I realized that it was a mistake. I mean, it doesn't make sense for me to run away when there's somebody I care about so much here. And I was miserable being away from her.
Well, we managed without you. It wasn't easy. Luckily, Maddie stepped in.
Just say it.
Emma, did you hear what I just said?
Alex, what if we going to say changes everything and we can never go back to the way things were?
I thought about that, and I'm prepared. I mean, at least the truth will be out on the table.
I don't think I want you to hear it.
Well, just listen to me. I think that...
Oh, I almost forgot. Maddie brought this.
Emma, I'm going to kill you, Emma.
Profits and loss projection for the next 5 years. And he installed budgeting software in my computer.
Emma, let him say it.
This is great.
Emma, let him.
I guess I should get back to my office then.
No.
Catching up.
No. God. Emma, don't give me that face. Don't give me.
Okay. Alex came back to tell me that he is in love with Harriet.
Really?
Clearly, this is
No.
huge, earth-shattering news that will change everything.
Emma, I'm gonna kill you.
The situation that's what I've been working on this past month. I will pull it together and handle it like a professional.
He's in love with you. Come
Emma,
on.
I know you're in a difficult situation, but when confronted with a conflict of interest, you need to ask yourself a very important question. Whose happiness matters most? Whose happiness matters most?
Come on, Alex. Come in.
Alex's happiness.
Then let
Alex's
him tell
happiness
you.
matters most.
Then let him tell you.
And he will be happy with Harriet.
No. With you.
I want him to be with her.
With you. Oh, come on, say it. Say it. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. Their faces.
Sorry. I was rude. Since all I did these days is apologize.
Oh.
Maybe you were right.
No, you told me to say it and I'm willing to hear it. I will listen to you and as your friend, and I will stand by you as your friend.
My friend? Is that what you want?
No.
I just want you to be happy.
Yeah, say it.
So come on, hit me with it.
Say
I'm ready.
it. Come on, come on, come on.
You have no idea what I'm talking about.
No, no,
I think
no, she
I know what
doesn't.
you're going to say, and I'm ready.
Wait here.
Hey, where are you going?
Just don't go anywhere.
Wait, what? Emma, your face is, you're killing me. Emma.
Oh, you afraid?
No.
Daddy,
I told you I could give you a flower.
but flowers are romantic.
Get it?
Flowers are romantic.
Emma?
Emma, what else? I don't have the words to tell you how in love with you I am. Maybe if I loved you, I could talk about it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I thought you were.
No.
You don't have the words either.
I can't. Are you sure? What about the business?
I don't care.
What about our family, Izzy and John?
We'll figure it out.
Alex, your friendship means everything to me. I can't lose you. What if we screw this up?
Not you know me. You know that I am difficult and grumpy and set in my ways.
Oh.
But if you'll let me, I will spend every day trying to make you happy.
God damn it.
Emma, say something.
What? No. No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Say it.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure. Just out of curiosity, how was that?
No. You Oh my god.
Wait, what did you think I was going to tell you about before?
What? Harriet.
Oh, Harriet. Oh, wait, Frank. Alex is gonna kill him. It happened. Oh my gosh, it happened. Oh my god. The night I was 50 happening, I'm dying. Oh my god. That was like full on making out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He said the line and oh my god. I've been going too much. I need to go on Tumblr. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thumbs up to everybody working on this. Oh my god.